Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change password on hi5. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open hi5 application. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Here, tap on the settings icon in the top section of your screen. And here you can see change password under account option. Tap on it. Here you'll have to enter your current password. Now you'll have to enter your new password that must be of minimum 6 characters. Then retype your password in order to confirm it. Now tap on the save option in the top right corner. So that is how you can change password on hi5. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.